In today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix the can't follow problem on Instagram. So the first way is you have to go to the Play Store and go to the search bar, search for Instagram. After you search for it, it will take you here. If you found this update option, then you must click on it to update your Instagram because you don't have the latest version. And this is the first way. The second way is go to the settings, go to the apps, search for Instagram, click on it, and click on force stop, and then reopen Instagram. That's the second way only. And the third way and the last one is you have actually to uninstall Instagram and reinstall it again. That's it, guys. Those are the 3 ways to fix the problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video until the very end.